Condoms have become a very easily accessible kind of contraceptive in and around for everybody who is sexually active. So today we'll be speaking about condom as another form of contraceptive. Hello there, my name is Chine Obi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome on board to the viewers, my returning viewers and subscribers. Thank you for sticking around. So today will be part of our series, we'll be discussing about condoms. Condoms are latex lubricated form of contraceptive whereby an erected penis of a man is slipped into the condom so as to protect the sperm from being ejaculated into the vagina. Some advantages of condoms is that they are easily accessible one, and it is lubricated, thereby there is no advent of blisters or getting bruised in the course of using it. And aside it being a contraceptive, it actually protects you from sexually transmitted infection. Yes, that is another good thing about it, because you're protected from, aside protected from being pregnant, you're protected from any sexually transmitted infection. And it is something you can get everywhere, and it's easy to use also. So condoms usually, because of the lubricated nature, it is slipped into an erect penis. Yes, mark that word, an erect penis, because if the penis is not erect, you can't slip it into the penis. And how do you use it? When you slip it into the penis, there is a tiny loop on the tip of the penis whereby you allow that. So there is a loop at the tip of the penis whereby that space is actually where the sperm settles, or what's that English now, gathers. So when you're wearing the condom, you don't slip your penis to the end of the condom. No, you allow that space so that when you ejaculate as a man, your sperm is gathered into that place. If you slip your penis to the end of the condom, it will burst. So there is tendency of that condom to burst if you slip your penis to the end of the condom. So allow that space while wearing your condom. Another mistake guys make is that when you want to open the condom, you use your teeth and do as if it's biscuit. No, when you check your condom, there's a zigzag kind of what's it called on the wrap. What you need to do is just hold one of those zigzag place and tear. It tears easily, not with your teeth, because it's not biscuit or sweet. Then another thing to note is that make sure you check the expiry date of every condom before you use, not just you buy and just use, because if it's expired, the strength has reduced, the durability has reduced, even the strength, what's it called, for it to do much action, you can even get the fact that it could burst in the course of using it because of this expiry date if it has expired. Then another thing to note is that do not have your condom in your wallet for like 6 months, 3 months, like, so that any day you have any stray or any fling, you use it. No, because when you leave condoms in your wallet, over time, because of the heat, the friction and everything that goes on in your wallet, you may have, or that condom must have lost its durability and its strength. Over time, that condom would not do the work it's supposed to do because of all those things that has going on with it in your wallet. So when you use, if you know you want to use a condom, ensure you just use it immediately you get it, not forgetting it in your wallet for as long as I think you can still make use of it that way. No. Then usually for some few persons, they might be sensitive to the use of condoms. If for any reason you realize or you notice that you're sensitive to the oil or the lubricants used in condom, you may as well want to try another or desist from using it. Some people are actually sensitive to even latex, so if you're such kind of person, it may be a disadvantage for you to use it. Then another thing, it is actually wrong for you to use an extra lubricant on an already lubricated condom. It's a no-no. when you get your condom, is already lubricated. You don't need to add another lubricant to it, because even adding another lubricant to it might even make it slip, and or even might reduce the strength of the one there already or something. So aside every of this thing, it's a good contraceptive to use, and success rate is about 97, which is a good one. So failure rate is low as far as you ensure you stick to the pros and the cons that it comes with. So yes, I hope you do got value from this video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe if you've not done so up to now. Thank you very much for watching, and remember to always stay healthy and create your happy place. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.